beanie. Just crossing the road. Should have started this after I crossed the road. So there we go. Right, big day today. Picking the van up. Poor old Vincent's been down the garage for a week. Was away for a couple of days, so seemed like a good idea. Just to come in the garage, get his fuel situation sorted, which has been ongoing, well, since we've had it, well, since the bloke before had it, really. They seem to think that there's some sort of plastic bag that's been degrading in the fuel system, and everything we've done has been a waste of time. But still. Anyway, we're nearly here. See how we get on. Aye. You miss me?